In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use the file manager in Hostinger. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or just starting out with your first website, navigating Hostinger's control panel effectively is crucial for managing your site efficiently. Let's walk through this step-by-step process together to get you comfortable with accessing and utilizing the file manager. First things first, you need to go to the Hostinger homepage. So open your web browser and type in Hostinger's URL, or simply click on the link if it's provided in your notes or bookmarks. Once you reach Hostinger's homepage, you'll be prompted to log into your account. If you're doing this for the first time, make sure you enter your login credentials accurately to avoid any unnecessary hiccups. After successfully logging in, the next step is to navigate to the Websites section. On the home screen of your hPanel dashboard, you'll find a few different tabs to choose from. Locate and click on the one labeled Websites. This is where you'll manage different aspects of your sites hosted on Hostinger. Once you're in the Websites section, you need to proceed to the Dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your control center for each individual website you manage. By clicking on Dashboard, you can delve deeper into the specific configurations and settings for your chosen website. This will not only enhance your managerial capabilities, but also provide a detailed overview of the website's status and performance. Now, let's move on to the Files section. Within the dashboard, you'll find various categories concerning your website's functionality. Click on Files. This is the heart of your file management activities, as all the website files that comprise the structure and content of your site reside here. Finally, within the Files section, you'll notice an option called File Manager. Click on it. The File Manager is an integral part of web hosting, allowing you to upload, edit, and manage your website files directly through the browser. Its user-friendly interface ensures that you can navigate your files effortlessly, whether you're adding new content, organizing directories, or modifying existing files. That's it! By following these steps, you've successfully accessed the File Manager in Hostinger. Familiarizing yourself with the File Manager is essential, as it's a tool you'll likely use frequently while managing your website. Remember, practice makes perfect. Spend some time exploring this tool, and soon, you'll be able to navigate and use it like a pro. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful tips and guides on managing your website seamlessly.